everyone, Chris Green here. Make sure you give the video a like and a follow. Today's video, I want to share with you this laundry room storage solution that we have. This is basically for all of the needs that we have within the laundry room. We have a very small laundry room space. It does have some upward storage that is not really accessible for my wife, so she needs to reach over the washing machine and so forth. So we wanted something to go in between the washer and the dryer. So we got this little cart, and on the cart we have our dryer sheets, we have our laundry detergent, we have bleach, and whatever else we might need. It is a rolling cart, so it does have wheels, and it is super easy to assemble. So if you're by yourself and you're not much of a handyman or handy woman, whatever it might be, it is very easy to put together. And we've enjoyed having it. So it definitely fits in between our washer and dryer. You can definitely check the measurements on the details of the description itself. But for most of you out there, if you have a small laundry room space like we do, this should fit nice and snug. And then you can also wheel it around wherever you need it, just in case you don't have that space to go in between washer and dryer. But we've been very pleased with this. It's held up for a few months now without any sort of hiccups along the way. So I hope this helps as you're looking for your laundry room storage needs. Now, if you want the exact laundry room little cart that we're using, I'll have a link in the description below. That is going to be an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you a penny more than what you would normally pay, but it does go a long way to support the channel. So please check the link in the description below.